packing take 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a box packing video of a custom 15-inch silicone baby. I've already wrapped the baby and some of the stuff before I thought of doing this. But I thought it'd be something fun to do. I always take photos and short videos as I pack a baby just for safety reasons, but I don't normally put them on YouTube. So we're going to finish wrapping things. This is his bottle. So this baby is going home with a couple of outfits, a bottle, some dummies, I think there's 3 of them, some socks, extra hats, nappies, the bottle, quite a few things he's having. I'll show you inside the box when I'm finished. This is some of the teeny tiny little clothes for him. They're so small, like that's my hand. That top is sized for 800 grams to 1.5 kilos. And the pants are the next size up, which is 1.5 to 2.5 kilos. They didn't have the smaller ones, but these fit really, really well. I don't think smaller ones would have worked. And then I got some beanies. These will be too big. The reason I got bigger ones is with silicone babies, you cannot glue the hair in because they're solid. Even if the head is on a ball joint, you can't glue the hair in. So, using loose sort of hats and stuff like that is best if you're going to put a hat on them. If you have a silicone girl and you want to use headbands and stuff, it's best not to too much, or at least not have super tight ones. Only because you can pull the hair out really easily. Just trying to make sure I have everything I need. This customer is a returning customer. It is their second silicone baby they have bought from me. But it's also my first custom silicone order. So it's a little bit special. I do have some more silicones that will be for sale, not as customs, but completed babies, sometime in the next couple of months. I'm not taking on any more custom orders for a little while, just because of health reasons. I can't guarantee how long it's going to take me to complete one at the moment, so it's best to not accept a custom order. Just trying to work out the best way to wrap this one. I'm wrapping everything in blue tissue paper. The baby is very well protected. He has cling wrap on his head, over his hair only. And then I've confused myself with wrapping. And then I've also put his hat over the top of the cling wrap, just to hold it on there. And then I put a nappy over his hat and face, protect him even further. He's then wrapped in a muslin wrap. Because he's such a small baby, the muslin wrap covers him well and truly multiple times. And then I've wrapped him in a few layers of bubble wrap, and then in tissue paper. So there's multiple layers going on. Just gotta cut this to size. And you can't see me. That really weird noise you may be able to hear, that's the washing machine. Kind of sounds like a high-pitched rocket is going to take off or something. These are the nappies I'm sending. He would fit genuine premature nappies. I just couldn't find any in stock. There's only one baby store near me, like a specialty baby store, and they didn't have any in stock. They said they could order them in, but didn't feel right. I do buy these teeny tiny nappies and these ones. These are a bit small. These are just your standard Big W or Kmart. I think these are the Kmart ones. Doll nappies. I don't use them very often on silicone because they've got the plastic. But it will be fine. The super mini silicones I make have these ones. And I've never had an issue because of the plastic. Next year I will start making some cloth nappies. They'll be great for silicone and vinyl. Some will be absorbent, so if you have a drink and wet silicone, you can reuse them instead of using disposable nappies. They will have different absorbency levels. Either that or I'll sell some extra inserts for them. The ones I'm planning on making won't specifically have inserts. They'll just have the absorbent layers built into it. I have a few ideas on a couple of things I want to work on over Christmas in between working on silicone. So it takes a few hours for a silicone layer to set. So might as well do something in between. Keep an eye out on my channel for a few videos of fantasy babies coming up. So I'm working on a custom alien at the moment. It's the Violetby Jade Warner. The baby I'm posting today, I forgot to tell you, is Violetby Jade Warner. But I've turned her into a him. So he's 15 inches. So I bought this little bunny for him. It's a dummy buddy. So I thought that'd be super cute. Most dummy buddies are quite large. So I thought this one would be perfect because he's a small baby and, well, he needs a small dummy buddy. I'm gonna cut that little hooky thing off. I'm leaving the tags on the bunny. Sit it like that. I'm not the best at wrapping things. All of my custom babies come home with a few extra items. So when I sell pre-made babies, I usually only send them home in the one outfit. That's for the vinyls. With silicone babies, I will send them home in with a couple of different things. Not usually as much as this bubba is going home with. But because they're a returning customer, I do a little bit of extra stuff for them. This is the COA for the kit. I'm going to use, just forgot that was holding up the phone. I don't know if I have an envelope to put the COA in, so I'm going to sit it in some paper towel just to protect it a bit. I'm going to write COA on the paper towel first. Just like that. I took the COA out before I wrote on it, just so it doesn't leak through. Just try not to knock it over again. This way. This will just protect it a little bit while it's in the box. It's something I would normally put in an envelope, but I forgot to get some. I'll add some photos I've taken of this baby into this video. Probably at the end. I'm just double checking I've packed everything I need to pack. I'm pretty sure I have. Yeah. Yeah, I've packed everything. So now I'm going to put it all into the box. Ugh. So right now we have the baby. And there's a couple of things in here already. I think there's 3 different things in there already. So I'm going to put everything else in. So right now I have the baby and then 3 things in the box. I'm going to carefully put everything else in. So the bottle I'm going to stand up in that corner. Part of sending extra things with him, it helps sort of protect him. I do have this box here full of airbags and bubble wrap and stuff, but yeah, the COA is just going to sit on top. There's one more thing to go in with him. I'm just trying to go into this bag, and it's this cute little card, so I'll write in that and put it in with him as well, and then he's packed and ready to go.